What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I posted. I've just been busy with stuff that's not really filmable. But today we are going to be completely transforming the purple car, and we are painting it. I'll show you in a sec. I've already sanded it all down and everything because, well, there's no point filming that. And now I'm just got it ready, so we're going to be primering it and then doing a colour change, which it's going to be very Marmite, as in you're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. It's definitely out there, different, but I think it'll be pretty cool once it's done. Once painted, I'm doing a full livery as well. It is going to look a bit weird without the livery on, but once I put the livery on, it will make sense, so bear with me. I will be doing some video updates as well on the RX-7, but I filmed a video ages ago, but I haven't finished it, so I need to film a little bit more on it, and then I'll have an RX-7 video up because a lot of people have been asking about that. Yeah, let me show you around. There she is, all masked up, sanded down. I haven't shown it on YouTube yet, but I've done some aero. Basically, I've laid up 3 SE bumpers on the front, but it looks actually pretty sick. The rear, I've chopped out another bumper and stuck it on there as well, and chopped out all the middle bit. And I've added some side skirts along the bottom. But,
another day painting cars.
Right. Let's do some primering. It is all primered now. Now I've just got to come up in the evenings, sand the primer down, make it all smooth, and then next weekend actually lay the colour and lacquer and everything. But looks good already. She looks fresh. Can't wait to see this in colour. Side skirts look so good now as well. Right, it's all ready. I've sanded it down again. Just done some panel wipe, degreaser. Now, let it dry off for 5-10 minutes and then ready for the first colour to go on. I was going to keep it a secret till the end of the video, but there's no point because otherwise the whole video would have to be in black and white. But on this, I'm doing something I've never done before, hence I've bought a laser. Going to be doing a two-tone with a fade. Front half of the car purple, rear half of the car orange. So it's going to be one of them where you either love it or you hate it, and I am doing a full livery in the next week or so. So without the livery, it's going to look a bit odd, but once the livery's on, it's going to look good, hopefully. In my head, it looks good anyway. But yeah, let's show you the colour and let's start laying some paint down, I think. Alright, so I've got the first 2 layers of colour on. I've got some runs on the back, so I had to dry it, sand it down and redo it because, I mean, I haven't painted in like a year, so I just got a bit trigger happy. But other than that, there's no runs or anything. It's looking lovely. Yeah. First time doing the fade.
I don't want to get near it. Oh, I think it's cool.
Got the purple done. Fade come out roughly all right. I don't know, we're waiting to see when it's lacquered. It's quite a bit darker than I was hoping, but then again, once it goes out in the sunlight, it'll probably look a lot better. But yeah, I'm gonna let it dry now for 10-15 minutes, and then gonna do clear coat but mixed with metal flake. Got some purple and some orange. I'm gonna do that, maybe two coats of that to see how flaky it is, and then clear coat on its own. But yeah, she's getting there. Definitely looks different. I forgot to say as well, the purple is Mystic Purple. And we've got some orange flake and some purple flake. So we're going to mix them in a tub with the lacquer and then spray a coat, see what it looks like, and then if we want more flake, do another coat. Oh, spicy! Look at that. Put about half the pot in. Yeah. Twinkles! So, just done the flake, as you can see. Now I'm going to do the flake on the orange and then clear coat it all. Mixing up the orange flake. May have got a bit carried away pouring it in there, but you can never have too much flake, right? It's over half the pot, so 150, probably about 75, well, probably more, probably about 85 grams I'll probably put in there. Done the flake on the orange now. Now I've just got to go around and clear coat all of it. Wish me luck. Clear coat's the hard bit. And by the way, I'm not professional, as you could tell. This is proper DIY. Oh yeah, got my little mixer boy there. He's on the decks doing some mixing. Look at the mess we've created. Right, it is the next day and it looks insane. Look at the sparkle in that. Right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it all back together and then I'll take it out in the sun and get back to you guys. yeah, there she is. My bit dusty now because it's been outside for a bit, but she is twinkling. Look at that. May have gone a bit overboard on the flake, but it looks so sick. It's definitely low. I mean, that's literally on the ground just from that little ramp there. But it should be alright. It's all like OEM aero, just extended, so it all like folds out the way and stuff. But it looks so good. I would have actually liked the whole car this orange. Like, it's so nice, especially with the flake. It looks proper good, proper nice. All I've got to do now, I'll leave it to cure for the rest of the week, and then next weekend I'm gonna cut and polish it to get rid of, because there is quite a bit of orange peel, and obviously there's a lot of little bits of dust and bugs and stuff like that have fallen on it while it was drying, which I can't help. It's a dusty old barn, but turns out pretty nice anyway. At the moment, obviously the colour scheme looks a bit weird, but the livery I'm doing in the next week or so will make it all come together and will look pretty sick, mate. Yeah, so good. Change the grills for chrome ones as well, because it'll go better with the livery. Still diagnosing stuff on this. We've changed so much, but it's still misfiring. Literally done a whole new coil harness, changed the wiring to the relays, put beefier relays. I don't know, I'm running out of ideas now, but we'll get there.